Hey, this is Dominic, and today we're going over how to edit a page in the page builder. Um, so, unlike some pages in WordPress, there some of the pages, including the home page that we have here on V8 Insider, are actually built using a page builder, and it's kind of like I don't know. It's supposed to make it drag and drop functionality for building out a page. And so I'm just going to kind of go over a little bit how to use it um, because somebody asked me today to help them make an update to a certain section. So um, on this page, we have a new section called, or we have a section called Personal Milestones. And unfortunately, what it was supposed to be called is Milestones instead of Personal Milestones. So what we're going to do is go to Edit Page, and whenever that loads, there we go. And so right now it's already in the page builder, but we want to do just to kind of show you, if we exited the page builder, we could you know edit a page normally, but we don't want to do this because the page was already built using the page builder. So this is the page builder, and inside of the page builder we have these sections. They're like you have rows, so this is a row, and if you want to insert a row, you choose the layout. How big a row do you want? And usually it's divided up into 12 sections, or into the number 12, and it'd be 3. You can divide it up into sections based on the number of 12. So like 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2, or 8 and 4, 3, 6, 3. So anything, but it has to add up to 12. Um, so we've already got our rows, so we don't need to enter or create any rows. And then we can do, so there's a row, there's a sub row, and this is, I believe, an element. So, but we already have the elements, but if you wanted to create a new element, you click Insert Element, and then you can choose from a bunch of widgets. So these are all the different widgets that you can use. Gallery carousel, post carousel. If you click on here, you can get a feel for what it looks like, or not looks like, but how to set it up. But we don't want that, so we insert element, um, breaking news, scrolling. Anyway, we're not going to use any of that right now because we're just going to go ahead and update one. So here's one, personal milestones. It's Warta slider tabs. It's a widget that's specific to the Warta theme that we're using on this website. So we're just going to edit it. And notice right here in the title where it says personal milestones, well, we don't want it to say that. So we're going to get rid of that and just call it milestones. And we'll click insert. But so right now it says post by category and it says uncategorized, but we're probably going to want it to be milestones, right? So let's go ahead and select milestones. Nobody asked me to do that, but I'm just going to do it anyway because it seems like it needs to be done. And then I'm going to click insert and I'll click update. And so now when we go back to view the page, we should see milestones, and it should have populated a bunch of stories from the milestones category. So let's, whenever this finishes updating, we'll go and check. Waiting. There we go. All right, so view page. And scrolling down, what do you know? Milestones. Milestones, and it has loaded a bunch of stuff in the milestones category. Milestones. So that should do it. Yeah, that's how you edit one of the widgets in the page builder tool for the Wartaw theme. I think it's WP Bakery, or I can't remember what it's called, the actual page builder, but anyway, that's how you do it.